Congratulations on creating a budget in Google Sheets that accurately tracks estimated costs, expenses, and line item categories for a project of any size. Using the skills you learned in this activity, you could create budget spreadsheets for your household, your car maintenance, an event you are hosting, or equipment purchases. There are thousands of functions you can use to perform calculations for any type of professional or personal project. Now that your budget sheet is complete, you also can perform several tasks with it. You can share it with project team members so they can view it and enter their own expenses. You can email the budget sheet as an attachment. Or download it in a different format so you can share it that way. You can even upload it to your company or project website as a way to communicate important financial information about your project. Budgeting and tight control of expenses greatly determines the success of any project you are managing. Congratulations on creating a digital tool to make this process easier.